In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable encryption in Jotform. This is useful when you're collecting sensitive information and want to add an extra layer of security to your form data. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, find the form you want to secure and click Edit Form. Once you're in the Form Builder, click Settings at the top of the screen. In the Form Settings, find Encrypt Form Data and toggle the option to Yes. Jotform will ask you to verify your account. Enter your password in the verification box, then click Verify. Give Jotform a moment to process the request and enable encryption. Once you see the success message, your form data is now encrypted according to the settings you've enabled. That's how to enable encryption in Jotform. Thanks for watching.